Hey everyone, welcome back to Holistic Living. What if I told you that your backyard could become your personal pharmacy, filled with nature's most powerful remedies? Yes, you heard me right. Today, we're going to show you how you can take control of your health with the Medicinal Garden Kit, an incredible way to grow your own natural remedies, save money, and boost your wellness. Let's jump right into it. But before we get started, here's a quick heads up. I've left the official link to the Medicinal Garden Kit in the description. Be sure to check it out after watching the video, and stick with me till the end because I have a couple of really important alerts you don't want to miss. So who's behind this game-changing kit? Meet Nicole Apelian, an herbalist, survival skills instructor, and biologist who studied at McGill University. Nicole's incredible story begins with the Sand Bushman in the Kalahari Desert, where she learned ancient herbal medicine techniques. But her journey takes a personal turn when, at 29, she was diagnosed with multiple sclerosis. Western medicine didn't help much, so Nicole turned to the power of plants. Her own backyard became her pharmacy, and today she's managed her MS naturally for over 20 years. This is where the Medicinal Garden Kit comes in. Nicole created this kit to share her knowledge with you so you can transform your backyard into a healing space. Imagine growing 10 powerful medicinal plants that you can use for pain relief, immunity boosting, and so much more. Let me quickly give you a sneak peek into the incredible plants you'll grow with this kit. Chicory, nature's painkiller, a must-have for any home garden. Yarrow, the ancient wound healer. Think of it as nature's bandage. California poppy, struggling with sleep? This plant is your natural sleep aid. Marshmallow, supports digestion and heals from the inside out. Chamomile, more than just tea. It's a natural antibiotic, great for infections. Evening primrose, excellent for skin and nerve health. Lavender, reduces pain and swelling with its anti-inflammatory properties. Echinacea, boosts your immunity naturally. Calendula, a resilient herb for tough times, helping with skin issues and inflammation. Feverfew, nature's aspirin, perfect for migraines and fevers. Even if you're new to gardening, don't worry. This kit includes 4,818 high-quality, non-GMO seeds and comes with a free herbal medicinal guide that shows you exactly how to turn these plants into powerful remedies. And it doesn't stop there. When you order today, you'll also get 2 additional gifts. 1. Healing Yourself at Home, a guide to using everyday household items for natural remedies. And 2. Wild edible and medicinal herbs. Discover plants around your home that are actually healing powerhouses. Here's the best part. You get a 365-day money-back guarantee. But I'm confident you won't need it because this kit will change the way you think about health forever. Just imagine having your own natural pharmacy in your backyard. No more trips to the pharmacy for minor ailments. Alert! Medicinal Garden Kit is only sold from their official website, so to get the original kit and the guarantee, click the link in the description to get your Medicinal Garden Kit today, risk-free from the official website. Thank you for watching. Remember, live well, live naturally. We're a new channel here at Holistic Living, and we're excited to bring you more valuable health and wellness content. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best tips for a healthier, happier life. See you next time on Holistic Living.